There are now less than few days remaining to the earliest rumored date for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release. Samsung's next anticipated flagship phone is likely coming in January to wage war on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aside from the potentially earlier announcement and release date, we seem to already know a lot about the upcoming device thanks to the wide barrage of leaks and rumors flying around. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a major step in the Galaxy S series evolution going forward. The largest and most feature-rich among Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup will be the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We expect that the phone will inherit the large 6.8-inch display of the Galaxy S23 Ultra as well as its extraordinary 10x periscope camera and the built-in S Pen stylus. The initial rumors reveal that Samsung won't be changing the winning formula with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, thus we expect mostly minor and evolutionary improvements including but not limited to a faster new chipset, a larger battery, possibly faster charging as well as much brighter display and smoother display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will probably be announced in January 2024 and go on sale shortly after. We remain hopeful that Samsung will find even more ways to make the Galaxy S24 Ultra an exciting phone. Here are the expected change of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a nutshell. The new titanium design might be exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The phone will likely feature the upcoming Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chip exclusively around the globe. There are also rumors about Samsung's own Exynos chipset making a comeback but might only grace Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Improved new 200 megapixel camera sensor could be making the rounds. New 5x telephoto instead of the 10x periscope. Samsung might use a brighter display, legally capable of hitting 2500 nits of peak brightness. Up to 16 GB of RAM might be available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The rumor mill is already kicking into top gear, so tag along we explore everything there is to know about the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra specs, features and all there is to know about the flagship ahead of its release.